Friends, today in this video we will talk about C3Pay. C3Pay is a finance application where we receive our salary and we use this C3Pay to send money home. But today specifically in this video I will talk about one specific subscription plan inside C3Pay, which is C3Pay Plus. But in order to understand what is C3Pay Plus, I would like to show you something. As I said, we receive our salary here in the C3Pay and we use C3Pay along with some other third-party application to send money home like TicTacToe, Remitly, Botim, Aspora and many others. And sometimes we also use our C3Pay card for online transaction or shopping. Okay? So I'll just show you here something. Previously, I sent money home 3 to 4 times, and every time I send money home, there is a transaction fee, wallet load quasi cash transaction fee, which is 3.5 AED per transaction. Every time I use my C3Pay card along with TicTacToe or some other application, C3Pay charges 3.5 AED per transaction. After this, I heard about C3Pay Plus subscription. This is how it looks like and I subscribe it successfully. So there are a lot of benefits of C3Pay Plus. I will tell you one by one. It looks like this. If we click here, this is C3Pay Plus. You can get it from here also. And here also subscribe करो C3Pay Plus और दूसरे wallet पे transaction में 3.5 AED deduct नहीं होगा. Okay. So we'll just click here to know more about this. The interface looks like this. What does it say? Hi people, with C3Pay Plus, you have saved AED 13.65 till now. Okay, let me remind you, if you subscribe C3Pay Plus, there is a service charge of 10.5 AED every month which will be deducted from your C3Pay. So I have subscribed successfully for C3Pay Plus. What are the benefits that I am getting? The first benefit, avoid fees and send money home, save 3.5 AED. Every time I used to send money home, C3Pay used to deduct 3.5 AED. But right now I have subscribed to C3Pay Plus. So if I use TicTacToe, Remitly, Aspora or any other application to send money home using my C3Pay card, C3Pay will not deduct this 3.5 AED. What is the next benefit that I am getting? Pick a new ticket to win. Lucky draw. C3Pay Plus 28 gold coins weekly and AED 10,000 monthly prize. I can just be a lucky winner and if possible I can also get this lucky benefit. Okay, what is the next benefit? One free ATM withdrawal which charges 2.5 AED. So if you use your C3Pay card and go to any ATM and withdraw your money, C3Pay charges 2.5 AED for every transaction, but if I go there, the first transaction for me will be free. And one important thing, winners out of the week. Okay, this is the result. So as I said, the first benefit is the money deduction 3.5 AED will not happen if I send money home. The next is the lucky draw. I can opt here and if I am lucky enough, I will be also getting this lucky draw winner. One more important thing that you get if you get C3Pay Plus is life and accidental insurance. If I click here, you see policy active. As I have taken the insurance, C3Pay Plus, I have also opted for this insurance certificate. Okay. So here are all the details on what are the benefits of these policies. The first benefit is accidental insurance claim, permanent local total disability of at least 5,000 AED. Your policy is active now as it shows. The policy details have been shared with community. View your certificate from C3Pay Plus. I can just click here and view my policy. So this is the second benefit that I am getting. And here are some other benefits of C3Pay Plus. As I said, first withdrawal every month from ATM will be free for me. And many people also subscribe for security SMSs. What is this? Let's say you just opted for security SMS which cost approx 3 AED. Okay. In this, if you try to withdraw money, send money or you receive money, via SMS you will be getting notification that you have used your C3Pay. So I have opted for this C3Pay Plus. So this service for me becomes free and no 3 AED extra every month is charged from me. And C3Pay Lite, you can click here. Here also you saved AED 1 every month. View your balance anytime in C3Pay. So if we view our balance in C3Pay application, C3Pay charges 180 every month for that also. But I have opted for C3Pay Plus, so this 180 is also not deducted from me. And the next benefit is this. This is what I like. Wallet money transfer, 83.5 free with your C3Pay Plus membership. Like as I said previously, when I used to transfer money home using TapTap Send, Remitly, Botim, Aspora or any other application, C3Pay would deduct 3.5 AD from my C3Pay card. But now I have taken the C3Pay Plus membership, and for now there is no charges that has been deducted from my C3Pay for my transfer to India. And as I said you, if you opt for C3Pay Plus service, you will be charged for 9 AED is the charge, and with tax it becomes 10.5 AED. As you can check here, it shows C3Pay Plus monthly billing 10.5 AED. So there are more benefits of this C3Pay Plus. Previously I was not having it, and many times I was not aware and transferring money to my friends here locally, or if I withdraw money from ATM, or if I send money home using TapTap Send, Botim and other application, or sometime I used to use my C3Pay card online to buy something or do online shopping. C3Pay would deduct every time little amount of money, and overall the amount becomes like 20 dirham, like 25 dirham, 30 dirham. But after I have opted for C3Pay Plus, only 10.5 AD is being deducted from my C3Pay, and all other service which I am getting, including the life insurance and accidental insurance and also the lucky draw system, C3Pay is only deducting 10.5 AD. So in my opinion friends, C3Pay Plus is a very beneficial thing for me, where I am not being charged extra above 10.5 AD. 10.5 AD is the ultimate amount that has been charged from me every month for this C3Pay Plus subscription. So if you also make multiple amount of time transfer to your home, or use your C3Pay card in many ways where you have been charged extra for using C3Pay card, I would recommend you C3Pay Plus will be very beneficial for you, because the charge is only 10.5 AD, that is also one time for 1 month. After this, you do any transaction, you send money home, send money to your friend, or you use your card online. There is no extra deduction for doing any transactions. So this is all about C3Pay Plus, my friends. If you like the video, do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to opt C3Pay Plus services, you can just click here, or you can click here, or there are a lot of banners which are coming here. You can just check. These are the banners of C3Pay Plus. So if you want, you can just opt for the service of C3Pay Plus, and you are also saved of being unnecessarily charged by C3Pay, which you cannot do anything. If you make any transaction, C3Pay will definitely charge from you. So this is a good thing, C3Pay Plus, which I have opted, and if you want, you can also go for C3Pay Plus. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.